Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to simplify this given nested radical problem. Square root of 9 plus 4 times square root of 4 plus 2 times square root of 3. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And in order to simplify this problem, we are going to go from inside out. So let's focus on inside this part. And here I have copied it down, and let's go ahead and manipulate this one. I can write this 4 as 3 plus 1 and this number as plus 2 times square root of 3 and then times 1. And now this 3 could be written as a square root of 3 and then square. Likewise, plus 1 could be written as 1 square and then plus 2 times square root of 3 times 1. Now we can see that this represents a perfect square. So therefore we are going to apply this formula a plus b square. So if we apply this formula, this could be written as square root of 3 plus 1 whole square. So therefore I can replace this part by this one. So therefore this has been replaced by this one and the rest is same. And now we can see that this square and this square root, they undo each other. So therefore we ended up with the square root of 9 plus 4 times this part square root of 3 and then plus 1. In this next step we are going to distribute this 4 with these two terms. So therefore we can write this one as square root of 9 plus this is going to become 4 times square root of 3 and then plus 4 times 1 is simply 4. Now let's go ahead and combine the like terms. 9 plus 4 is going to give us 13. So therefore we got square root of 9 plus 4 is 13 and then plus 4 times square root of 3. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this part inside this radical. And here I have copied it down 13 plus 4 times square root of 3. And now let's go ahead and manipulate these numbers. I can write this 13 as 12 plus 1 and this 4 I can write plus 2 times and then 2 times square root of 3. And now we can write this 12 as square root of 12 and then square. And likewise this 1 I can write plus 1 square and then this I could write 2 times square root of 3 and then I can put times 1. And now let's focus on this square root of 12. I have just copied it down and now we can write this square root of 12 as 12 could be written as 4 times 3 and now we can break it down square root of 4 times square root of 3 and square root of 4 is same as 2 times square root of 3. So therefore square root of 12 could be written as 2 times square root of 3. So therefore this square root of 12 I can write as 2 times square root of 3 whole square and the rest is same plus 1 square plus 2 times square root of 3 and then times 1. And now we can see that this represents a perfect square. So therefore we are going to use this formula a plus b square. So if we apply this formula, so this could be written as 2 times square root of 3 and then plus 1 whole square. So therefore we can see that this part inside this radical has been simplified to this perfect square. So let's go ahead and replace this one by this. So therefore we can write a square root of 2 times square root of 3 and then plus 1 whole square. And now we can see that this square and this square root, they undo each other. So we simply ended up with 2 times square root of 3 and then plus 1, and that's our simplified answer. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be 2 times square root of 3 plus 1. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.